External Affairs. Now, on what Peter Navarro has said, there has been a reaction, in fact, from Ministry of External Affairs. In fact, the MEA says we have seen the inaccurate and misleading comments from Peter Navarro, and we reject it. As far as India-US relations are concerned, we have global partnership. This partnership has weathered several challenges, and we hope this relationship will continue to move forward with mutual respect and understanding. So there you have MEA slamming the remarks, that were made by Peter Navarro earlier. Remember, Peter Navarro had said that it is Brahmins profiting at the expense of the Indian people. Let's go back to Mr. Pathikrit Payan, who continues to be with us at this point in time. So on what Donald Trump had to say, MEA, of course, did not have a direct answer today, but there you have Peter Navarro's comments being slammed by MEA. Your reaction?
Well, first and foremost, Mr. Peter Navarro, I don't know who briefed him to bring a Brahmin angle. It slips of a toolkit to create internal incohesion, which is not going to work if that was his intention, to create caste problems or internal problems in India. Secondly, it is very true, since the time of India's nuclear test in 1998, post that, an enormous amount of effort has been put by diplomats from both sides to improve the relationship, to understand each other's considerations, and therefore any effort by anybody to demean that, to undermine that by some rash statements, I think that is not welcome. That should be avoided. For India, if we are aspiring to be a $10 trillion economy, it is not that we want to pin anybody down. It is not that we want to be hegemonic. It is just that if we have to improve or take into consideration the aspirations of 1.5 billion people, we have no other option than to grow. So I think these comments are not welcome. I respect what the MEA has stated.
All right. Mr. Payan, appreciate you speaking with us here on Times Now and sharing with us your perspective. Let's now play out what exactly the Ministry of External Affairs had to say on comments by Peter Navarro.
पीटर नवारो के कमेंट के बारे में हम लोगों ने कुछ गलत और गुमराह करने वाले कमेंट या स्टेटमेंट श्री नवारो की तरफ से देखा है, और साथ ही साथ हम ये कहना चाहते हैं कि ये हमारे लिए अस्वीकारनीय है, इसको हम अस्वीकार करते हैं.
So there you heard the first reaction from MEA on comments by Peter Navarro. With this, we will slip into a very, very short break. We'll be back with more. Stay with us.